My dear learners and listeners, welcome to my channel Pioneer English Learning. Today, the topic of my discussion is sentence pattern 11 for learning spoken English. Under this heading, I am going to discuss about the phrase no matter what. যার অর্থ হলো যাই হোক না কেন বা যাই হোক। Now come to the example. No matter what others say, believe in yourself. অন্যরা যাই বলুক না কেন তোমার উপরে ভরসা রাখো। Number 2, no matter what, I will definitely go to Kolkata today. যাই হোক না কেন আমি আজ নিশ্চিত কলকাতা যাব। Number 3, no matter what challenges came in his way, he promised to stay strong. তার পথে যতই চ্যালেঞ্জ আসুক না কেন সে দৃঢ় থাকার প্রতিশ্রুতি দিয়েছিল। Now come to the structure. Structure is no matter what plus subject plus verb plus other sentence. You may use other sentence or you may not use other sentence in this structure because it depends on the sense of the sentence that you are using. Number 2, the phrase no matter what you may use at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. If you use this structure, you may make a lot of such type of sentences. Here I am ending. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you all.